Okay, so let's go over how to prime your new water filter and get it set up for its first use. So we've taken the sticker off, and then we can go ahead and fill up our bag with water and then attach the water filter to it. So go ahead and do that. Want to use cold water. And then we can just screw on the water filter to the bag. Really easy. Just like that, and we're gonna flip it over. And then we're just gonna go ahead and squeeze, and water's gonna come off the sides as well as the bottom. So you don't have to squeeze super hard. Just, of course, put a little pressure. You don't have to grab it as hard as you can though. Just wanna run water through the filter. Okay, and then you'll do it once more. So we'll unscrew the bag, put more cold water in, and then go ahead and squeeze again. Okay, you go ahead and unscrew it, and then we can put it back in our pitcher. Twist it on in. Put it back in, and then we can go ahead and fill up the water pitcher. And there you go. This will take around 30 or so minutes to filter out all the water and put it in the bottom here in the main part of the pitcher. And again, you want to make sure you keep this, so every time you get a new filter, you can just do this priming process by pushing water through it twice. So yes, 30 minutes is quite a long time. That's one of the things that could be improved about this, but then you know you're getting that real good filtration because it's taking so long. Okay, so that's how you prime your new filter and get it set up.